Reagan-appointed senior judge William Young has a 40-year career presiding over some of the country's highest-profile cases. New reporting from the New York Times takes a look at how the 84-year-old is fast-tracking all the cases against Trump's executive orders that he can, but in a way that, quote, recalls a time when mutual respect and deference to the law were more standard in relations between the executive and judicial branches. Let's bring in former state attorney for Palm Beach County, Florida, Dave Aronberg. Dave, thanks for joining us. Talk a little bit about this judge and the tact he's taken to these cases and why it stands out and deserves a New York Times write-up.
Sam, Judge Young is no left-wing Antifa judge. He's a Reagan appointee. He was an Army veteran. He's someone who's well-respected, and he's just upset about what's going on, clearly through his words. He is taking on the Trump administration and is putting his foot on the pedal, unlike other judges like Judge Aileen Cannon, who seem to delay, paralysis by analysis. This judge wants to go and put things on the trial docket. And he's not afraid to speak his mind. And it really upsets the Trump administration. They're like really furious at the fact that he has made these statements. It sounds like Joseph Welch, the Boston lawyer who took on Joseph McCarthy. You know, have you no decency? This judge says, have we no shame? And so this is why the Trump administration is so upset. They don't like activist judges. Of course, these days, an activist judge is just a judge who disagrees with you. The right wing loves activist judges when they rule their way.
I think there's some virtue that you get when you're 84 years old. You don't really care as much as if you were a younger judge. I want to turn to two cases that we got yesterday, decisions, I should say. One from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals basically said that Trump did have the authority to deputize the National Guard, despite what Gavin Newsom said. A real victory for Trump. Another case from a federal judge said that Trump and the Department of Transportation did not have the authority to condition transportation funds on immigration actions. Talk a bit about both cases and what they say for Trump's immigration powers going forward.
Well, the first one came from the formerly liberal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals out in California. When the first term ended, President Trump appointed 10 out of the 29 judges there. So it became more of a centrist court, and they gave a lot of deference to President Trump in federalizing the National Guard. They say, we're going to defer to the president, at least for now, until we get all the facts. And then this is headed to the U.S. Supreme Court. But it was definitely a win for the Trump administration. In that three-judge panel, two of the judges were appointed by President Trump. But interestingly, the third judge who agreed with those two judges was appointed by President Biden. So they gave a lot of deference to the president to come in and say, if we think there's a federal policy at stake here, even under that statute they're invoking, we're going to allow the federal government to federalize the National Guard. The other case you mentioned, Sam, which was that case again?
It was a federal case where the judge said that the Department of Transportation cannot condition transportation fundings to states, in this case, California, I believe, if they disagree, for instance, with their immigration policies.
Right. That's called the Duffy Directive. So the Secretary of Transportation said that we're going to take away the federal transportation dollars from states that don't enforce our immigration orders. Well, that's a little vague, isn't it? And that's why these 20 states, all Democratic states, went to the courts and said, Your Honor, this isn't right. This is coercive. And the judge, who was appointed by President Obama, agreed and said, no, it's too coercive. Also, what does federal transportation dollars have to do with immigration policy? I understand that if you want to coerce states to raise the drinking age from 18 to 21, remember when the federal government did that, you can then tie it to federal transportation dollars. But there's really not much of a connection here. Plus, the order is too vague, and thus we're not going to allow it to go into effect. But this is yet another case that's headed up to the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, and Gene, that's what's going to be so fascinating, because you have very conservative justices in John Roberts and Amy Coney Barrett and Brett Kavanaugh, who will predictably take stances that they've held throughout their entire judicial careers, and probably also did going all the way back to law school. But at the same time, on these questions of dramatic, some would say radical expansion of Article II powers by the Trump administration, or their efforts to do that, that's where things get really interesting, and you never know where John Roberts, Amy Coney Barrett, to a lesser degree, Brett Kavanaugh are going to go in their rulings.
Yeah, on the National Guard, I actually, maybe I'm not a lawyer. I don't think that's that radical because I remember a couple of instances where Presidents Kennedy and Johnson, during the Civil Rights Movement, federalized the National Guard of Alabama in order to enforce civil rights laws. So,
and by the way, those governors did not want that to happen either.
Exactly.
People are saying, "Oh my God, a president can't do this." When a governor, doesn't want them to come in. They never heard the tape recordings between the Kennedy administration and the Southern governors.
Exactly. They made George Wallace step aside from the schoolhouse door so the University of Alabama could be literally integrated. So that I understand.
Right.
Can you withhold already appropriated transportation funds because a state isn't doing what you want on the cooperating with ICE? I don't think you can do that. I'm not sure that even this Supreme Court is going to agree that a president can do that. That's a bridge too far.
And Joe, if I could.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Just if the power of the purse goes to Congress, and even though Congress has emasculated itself, it's still Congress that has to make this decision, not the executive branch.